Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, January 17th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the SPY. Before I forget, my doctor's appointment's been changed to 8 a.m. I don't think I'll be back for the opening. I certainly will try, but there will be no morning video, that's for sure. I'm supposed to be leaving later in the day. So hopefully I'm back by the opening or not long after. I have a lot coming out tomorrow morning. You have retail sales and PPI at 8:30 Eastern. You have the beige book at 2 p.m. Eastern. So we'll see if ALGOs get some movement from those things early on and then later in the day. Today, I'll tell you what, last January, we were talking in the room. Last January, the opening day was a $4 range, and that was the smallest range for a long time from what I remember last year. Well, we've put in a lot of ranges under $4 so far this year, or a couple. And today is the second lowest range of the year, and it could possibly be the lowest volume of the year. Turns into a B shape for us as we end 12 wide. Triple Qs end 12 wide. Afternoon rally high in J. They did not get their IB high or low. They did not. Russell ends 12 wide. They did not get their IB high or low, and they have a poor low in A, D, and J. We did get our IB low, but we got our overnight high. And we end 12 wide with J as an afternoon rally high, and pretty much a B shape for long liquidation. Had an okay day, didn't do a lot of trading. Only did 12 lots. Now, the one trade I didn't take and missed the quickest move of the day was J. I'm like, I don't think, even though we had the overnight high, we had already gotten the IB low. POC was down here. All the volume was being down here. I didn't expect it to really run. So I said you can short this around value high, half back, use A as high as you're out. I did it a couple of times, but I didn't do it in J. And J was the one time where it flushed hard as they got a nice inventory adjustment. I did short A against the overnight high, which paid me. Initially, right off the bat, I took that trade. I got paid in B period on a pullback after the one-time ones we took out A's high. Got paid on a little bit of an ebb and flow trade. My only loss of the day was in C. I took a one lot. I think it was 26.75. I think something like that. I did add two more when they filled the single prints, and I forget where it was, 23. Around there. Could have made money on those. We went back to 25. Didn't take them off and then took them off for a loss. I took them off before we took out B's low, but I took them off. I'm like, I don't like this, and it was the right move. That was my only loss. I made money on the against the overnight POC on a one lot when we got down there. Got paid on that. Got paid on an E twice with shorts. Since we were one time framing down against D's high. Got paid twice on that. And then, like I said, I got paid on I, thinking it might be an afternoon rally high. I got paid on K against J's high on shorts, but I did not take that J one. And that was it. So an okay day. Not a lot of action, very small range. Destination, we're 12 wide and SPY at 398.19. Okay. On the upside, it did get low to M's high again. Then an afternoon rally high, that's J's high, 398.84. Today's high, 400.23. Downside today's 397.06. Not coincidentally, that's right above where the 200-day moving average was. So not only did the 200-day moving average provide a decent buffer when we came out down in D, so did that wide overnight POC. And then below that, we still have single prints 397.05 to 396.92, and you should have everything else from Friday that I gave you. ES, the low is 02.75, and then the single prints 02.50 to 02 and a quarter, only two ticks. For the upside, we're 12 wide at 14 and a quarter. That is M's high. Afternoon rally high is J's high at 21 and a quarter, and today's high, which is 35 and a quarter. And then on the chart, now, here's where we had a little sticking point today. Here's the weekly. Well, they tried again. Here's that trend line. We're getting close to it. Didn't get quite to it. The weekly's still up and healthy, but couldn't get to it. We got above 400 in SPY and automatically sold down on the daily and on the weekly, obviously. Here's your daily. Now, again, the daily's closer. Look how close we came to that. Today's high is 400.23. That high is around about $1 higher. So, again, do these lower highs continue? This is going to be really interesting to see. We're up on the daily. We're above the 200. We're above the 50. We're above the 20. Does the 20 start curling up and change things here if the buyers get above this level? Obviously, for this to change, buyers got to start going here, okay? So we're going to see what transpires tomorrow when those numbers come out. Very small volume, though, again today. Hopefully things pick up. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening. Again, it won't be a morning video, but we'll recap tomorrow's action after the close.